Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install the best media player for VLC.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to hop over into dashboard and I'm going to be navigating over to settings. You can see I'll go to quick settings at the top and then click on all settings. So this is the Google TV. I'm navigating down to apps. I'm trying to open the Google Play Store. So it's a system app. It's embedded in the system. You have to go through apps, see your apps, and then click on the bottom where you see show system apps. Now navigate this alphabetically until you find Google Play Store. And right there you can click on it and launch it to open. That's how you open Google Play Store on Google TV. Now when you're there, I want you to just search for the app of choice. In my opinion, the best is VLC Media Player. VLC. So search for the app with the voice control or the keyboard and just click on install. Now give it a couple of seconds to load. It's going to pen for a while and the download is going to begin. Now after the download, you find that there's an automatic install process. The application will install to the Google TV automatically. You will not need to interfere or click on any install button aside from what you have done already. So just give it a second and it's going to download and install to Google TV. When installation is done, we'll launch the application and you see the VLC app. In my opinion, this is one of the best apps to watch content, media, even to apply stream links to. So I'm done installing this app to show you as, in my opinion, the best media player for Google TV. So the app is installed. You can open it from there. Give it permissions as required. So you want it to be able to access all files. Select the VLC application list to allow access so that they can manage files. It's important for the device to show you files on your device and to enable you can stream on your device. So you can start the VLC app and you have this layout. You can access video content, audio content. You can look at your playlist you have created. You can also do browsing from the internal memory, local network streams, or you could add a new server to favorites. So the other functionalities you could do in settings and even verify the version of this app under other. So that's basically it for this video. I've showed you, in my opinion, the best media player for Google TV. If you like the video, drop a like below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.